There it is. It's happening. It's happening.
Happening.
Morning, all our beloved fans and viewers of Designer Needed. As you can hear, I have something in my face. In my throat makes more sense, but anyways, I have
Yes.
I have a cold. I have a cold. So much for trying to be smart and witty in the morning. But yes, I have a cold, so bear with me. So for today, Cian, I thought let's have a look at what's happening in Adobe. I don't know if you saw, and it absolutely annoys me. But you'd be working and it'd be fine, and then suddenly you'd see all your software on Creative Cloud has been updated. There's been no warning, it's just been updated, and then you try open a file and it goes, no, this is an old version. You need to open it in a new version, which absolutely annoys me. It's been official. Adobe let us know that they have updated all the software, and today we're going to look at Photoshop. So,
That sounds great.
yeah, so let's have a look at Photoshop and what's new in Photoshop. So I see the first one that comes up here is the delete and fill selection feature. That sounds nice. I don't know how good it's going to be, but let's put it to the test. So let's see. What do you think?
So would it delete the object and then fill it with what's around it, essentially?
Exactly, yeah. So I don't know how good it's going to be. I would say this is a good one. There's lots of grass to choose from. So I'm going to say let's go with this one. Let's give this little kitty a good quick selection. Let's see. Oh gosh, what's wrong with the eye?
I was about to say the same thing. Scary kitty.
No. We've already tried the direct selections tool and it didn't really work well. So let's
You're gonna do it manually.
yeah, exactly.
Photoshop releases a new feature. You can select and delete this. Still has to do it manually.
My thing with Photoshop always bringing in the new features is they make it sound so like it's so easy to use. Anybody can use Photoshop, and it's like no, not anybody can use. Have you met my parents? No, not anybody can use it.
Yeah, the thing is, like, I feel like it works properly when there's like a black box against a white background. You know, then it's great because there's defined lines.
Ooh, okay.
But when there's a cat with hair in the grass, it's not gonna pick up every hair follicle and grass strand.
Yeah, no. So
Yeah.
I am curious to see how it's gonna handle our very, very tricky, if you ask me, selection that we have over here. So let us select our cat. Cat is selected, so let's see. Okay, awkward. So anyway, so we have to delete half our video while we were figuring out where it lied. Okay, cool. Okay, so here we go. From the beginning, like nothing happened. Oh, Cian, so I found it. Apparently, you have to go onto the object selection tool, and that's how you find it.
But then why? Yeah, it's weird that it's only for that tool though. What about all the other types of selections you can do?
Yeah, I agree with you. It was a bit of a story to find it, but thank you for helping us, and we found it. So here we go. Let's see how delete and fill selection. Let's see how intuitive it is. Let's
I'm worried.
This is it. This is the big moment. Oh. It's like the cat was never even there, Cian.
It's basically just blurred out the cat.
Yeah, that's why it's done.
Make it really blur it.
Wow, Adobe. You guys really like pull the rug under our feet here. I mean, wow.
Shame. It's not terrible.
It's not terrible. I agree with you. It's not terrible, and I can see the selection came from over there.
But it's safe to say you can't use it on its own.
No.
I don't think. Yeah, you have to use your own Photoshop skills to fix it after that's done. Yeah.
Yes. Let's try it in this little dude. Here we go.
Okay.
Selection tool, delete and fill section, new, take 2. Oh, I like that. Someone just chooses my cat.
Yeah. Like I said, like, you know, black object on white background. Sure, it would probably do an amazing job, but complex backgrounds, I feel like it struggles a bit.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. So, she's going to put it away from this. Oh, no. No. Cancel. cancel. Okay.
It's still an outline.
Yeah. Okay, delete and fill selection. Let's see how good it is.
Oh, yeah. It's just a fluffy outline of a cat.
Yeah. Well, I suppose we can probably refine our edge a little more. And that should probably... Yeah, that should probably fix it.
Yeah. If you increase the size of the selection.
No, look, it's promising. I don't think it's perfect, but I mean, yeah, look, I see the potential.
Yeah, but I mean, I could have just taken the clone stamp tool and, done that, because I feel like that's exactly what I did.
Okay. So yeah, so that's the new tool.
Great stuff.
Yeah.
I'm sure it will work on a less complex background with a less complex creature.
Yes, I'd like to think so. I agree with you. So while we're here, it seems like the next tool Adobe is bragging about is make improved hair selections. So let's keep our same little scared cat who knows he's about to Photoshop. Look at that face. And let's give this a go. So let's see. Here we are. Refine hair. Is it really as simple as clicking refine hair?
Yo, I feel like people who are working on laptops, your scratch disks are going to be absolutely full after like all of these tools. Oh, that looks promising.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I see it.
So is this just for like masking, or does it select it?
So it's I think it's selecting it. As soon as we say okay, it should mask our cat for us. So then let's do this. Now technically we should have our cat ready to go. If let's put him on a black background and see what that looks like. Here's our background. Are you ready? Moment of truth? Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, some of her whiskers are cut off, but that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, so that's definitely a win for the refine hair tool. Yeah, definitely a win.
Agreed.
I find this more promising than the beat and fill.
Yes, yeah, agreed.
Okay, yeah. Okay, no, good. So, are you ready to do some Photoshop things for us on your screen? How about them apples?
Yeah. There's a new filter that Adobe has introduced. They did have it in their beta.
Is that
should I share my screen quick?
Yeah. Let me stop sharing mine.
Yeah. So they did have it as a tester, but now it is in the main Photoshop, which is great. So it's a photo restoration filter. So you get your old photo if your parents want to know how their grandparents looked.
Yeah.
18,000 years ago.
18,000 years ago. Yeah.
So then you click on Neuro filters on your layer. So photo enhancement. Let's enhance the face first. You can see it's quite blurry, and then as you pull this little trigger up, it makes it so much clearer.
Oh.
So it kind of like outlines the features a bit more, makes the eyes a little brighter, probably makes the whites a little brighter, I'd think. It takes away the wrinkles.
Oh, wow.
And then the scratch reduction works really well as well. So as you pull this up, it takes away all of these little marks.
Family, and you want to look at your Oh, look at that,
Yeah, I think it is probably more of a personal feature that they've added. That is nice. And I mean, I suppose it's nice for history if there's super old ruined photos that they found of this person that they need to learn more about, then it's a great feature to have.
Yeah, that's it. So everybody who's listening, thank you for listening. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Be sure to share this, tell your aunt, tell your grandma, tell your boss, and be sure to subscribe. Until then, see you next week. Me and Cian signing out.